Hey everyone, welcome to my new YouTube video about Affinity Designer 2. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change opacity in Affinity Designer 2 and how to make a shape completely transparent. So let's get started. For example, I have this shape and I want to change transparency for it. Let's click on it to select it, and on the right side here you can find the opacity option. Click on this arrow and now drag the slider to the left. And as you can see, this is how you can easily change opacity for this shape. Or you can just type here the percentage if you want. And also, if you want to make a shape fully transparent, you can do it in the following way. Let's create a new shape, select it. Okay, and also let's make it green, for example. And to make it fully transparent, you need to select it and switch normal mode to the erase at the very bottom. Just scroll down with your mouse to the very bottom and click on it. And that's all. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to me and put a like. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.